Thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Family Dollar haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just subscribe to this girl's channel. Y'all go ahead and show me some love and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so I can bring you these deals, and I mean on the low. All right? This is on the low when I bring you these deals. So go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and share the video also, and leave me a comment or two. So you know I'm bringing you these deals on the low. All right, so let's go ahead. But first, I want to let everyone know when I'm bringing you these deals are just letting you know that there is any essential things that you are needing out here. I'm not telling you to go out here and purchase these things right away, just letting you know the prices of them, and you can go out there and purchase them at any time this week. Okay, so this is a 5 off of 25. All right, and you have to do this by Saturday, because I think the 5 off of 25 is up until Saturday before the store closes. Okay, so this is a Family Dollar haul. So I went in and I was trying to see what I was going to get, what I was going to buy and bring to you all. So the store that I stopped at, it had some stuff, but it really didn't have any stuff. So I was like getting stuff on the fly. All right. But I knew some of the stuff that I wanted. So what I did was I went ahead and I purchased this Febreze, the liquid right here is $4.95. I got that. There's a $2 off digital, and all these are digital. Then the Tide Pods right here. This is Spring Meadows, and it's a 16 count. All right. And this is $4.95, and there's a $2 off digital also. This right here, y'all, this Dawn right here they saying it's glitching, and it still is, the coupon is still coming off. This is one of them small ones that is a 7 ounce. It is $1.50, and there is a $1 off digital, so it makes it 50 cents. Then these Advil liquid gel minis is 20. That is this is $4. There's a $2 off digital, and you always want to check the expiration dates on these things, okay? Always. Then the next thing was this Tampax, the Tampax Pearl, and it has to be an 18 count, they saying. It is $4.25. There is 2 digital coupons. There is a Family Dollar Smart coupon, which is $3, and then there is a digital coupon, which is $1.25. Okay, so I'm thinking that it was actually $2, but it went down, so it made this Tampax right here, it's Tampax Pearl, it made it free. Because the Smart coupon, it was $4.25. It's what it rung up, and I'll show you all. And the Smart coupon for Family Dollar was $3, and then the coupon, which it was $2, but you know, Family Dollar's not giving you no overage, so it made it go down to $1.25. So it made that free. Then the Always is $3.50. Okay. And that is an 18 count. And there is a coupon also for $2 off, because if you buy Tampax and Pearl, the $2 off coupon comes off, because you have to, I think it has to be, you have to buy both of them. So that's why it came off like that. And then the $2 off coupon, which is the digital coupon, came off of the Always. Okay. Then I threw in this lovely Gillette Sensor 2. You know, you always want to have something to go in to bring your totals down. That was $5. And then there was a $3 off digital coupon. And my $5 did come off. So let me show y'all my total. Y'all, my subtotal out of pocket. My subtotal, I'm sorry, was $6.90. But you know, everybody's taxes is different. So I paid, it was $8.11, but my subtotal was $6.90. So let me show you. There you go. And this is what I was telling y'all about the Tampax right here. See that? Made that free. And then there's the Always. There's the, let me show y'all the Dawn. There's the Dawn right there. Okay, made it 50 cents. And then my smart coupon came out. Subtotal was $6.90. Then $21.25 in smart coupon savings. That is good. So yeah, this is my Family Dollar haul. You just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.